Yesterday was one of the worst days for Russian aviation in Ukraine, since Russian forces lost 4 aircrafts in one day. The Ministry of Defense of Ukraine claimed that on Saturday, September 24, 2 Russian Su-25 jets had been destroyed alongside an Su-20 and Su-34 plane. A spokesperson for Defense of Ukraine said, "Today is a good day for Ukrainian army and a bad day for Russian aviation. Su-25, 2 Su-30, and Su-34 have gone to F themselves." The strong language used in the tweet was a reference to the Ukrainian forces on Snake Island, who used a similar phrase when Russian forces ordered them to surrender shortly after the outbreak of the war. Since Russia launched its invasion in February, it is estimated that the country has lost tens of thousands of pieces of military equipment. Ukraine claims it has destroyed or captured more than 259 military jets, 2,275 tanks, 4,832 armored combat vehicles, and 3,701 warships and boats since February 24. According to the open-source database Oryx, Russia has lost 6,39 vehicles, 3,926 of which have been destroyed. The command of the airborne assault troops of the Armed Forces of Ukraine shared a video of an aircraft seemingly falling through the sky on its Facebook page on Saturday. The video showed a fighter jet with flames shooting out from the rear of the combat vehicle as it steadily lost altitude. A spokesperson said, "In the area of the mission, the servicemen of the Air Defense Unit 25 of the Sikoslav Airborne Brigade of the Airborne Assault Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine shot down 2 Russian aircraft, an armored attack aircraft Su-25 and a multi-purpose fighter of the 4th generation Su-30. The spokesperson later added, "Death to the Russian invaders. Together to victory. Glory to Ukraine." The ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine appears to be shifting into a new phase following Vladimir Putin's mobilization decree earlier this week. Putin hopes the decree will bolster troop numbers after thousands of Russian combatants were killed in the 7 months of the conflict. The new law also includes harsh punishments for soldiers who refuse to fight in Ukraine, including a 10-year prison sentence. Protests erupted in more than 38 cities across Russia, a sign there is growing frustration with the Kremlin's handling of the war. A steady stream of Russians have attempted to leave the country over fears they could end up being drafted into the army.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.